Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Yep, you're getting me with the dashboard illumination. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I am literally up at 5:54. It says 5:54 a.m. because it's time to get another car. I have somewhere to park it. That's about all. I don't know what I'm going to do with the car. I threw out a bid. We went back and forth. I stayed where I finalized my bid, and lo and behold, yeah, we got a car. So guess where we're going? We're going to Copart. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Life is really good right now. Look at that. Yep, got a beautiful sunrise going on right there. And we have Al Jarreau on the radio. If you know Mike, the real Mike, you know Al Jarreau has been my man for, gosh, more than 40 years.
This might be a sin, but I'll take your bet you're gonna regret, cause I'm the best as ever been. Johnny, you're awesome up your bow and play your fiddle hard.
I don't know what it's like in Arkansas. Yep, right here. Winding little two-lane roads up and down these mountains or hills or the Ozarks. And you pass lots of trailers, you pass lots of chicken houses. And there's a pickup truck at almost every turn, every single turn. Lots of them have ladders on the back of them. I don't know why, but they do. But this is it right here. Yeah. Look at Arkansas. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I got to turn right. All right, let's turn right. We've made it. Okay, we got to turn the radio down. Yep, we've made it. In the middle of these little hills and mountains is a teeny tiny little Copart. Look at that. Yeah. Somebody lives right across the way from it. And look at that. This is the smallest one I've ever been to. Okay, from the huge ones in Dallas, Texas, and Houston, to the medium-sized one in Oklahoma City, a little smaller in Tulsa, to the teeny tiny one in Fayetteville, or really Grand Prairie, Arkansas. So let's see if I can just park. We'll park it over here. And hopefully somebody will load it up. These are big old rocks. Jiminy Christmas. Look at the size of these things in this parking lot. Yeah, look at those things. Whoa. Okay, I gotta tell you, yeah, the world's smallest Copart here, Fayetteville / Grand Prairie, Arkansas. In and out, so quick and easy. It was lovely. Okay, so we do have the car on the trailer. I'm gonna give you, okay, do you know what it is yet? Can you tell just by the wheel? Do you know? Yep, these are some of Mike's favorites. Here's a hint right there, okay? Yep. Getting the low battery signal, so apparently my phone was not charging. Do you know yet? Do you know? Look there, okay? Yahoo! So far, Mike's likey. Okay? Little curb brush on that wheel. But I got this because it was a donated vehicle. Okay? Yeah, and it has 3 owners. The current owner had it for like 8 years. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. You want to see the insides? Have you figured out what it is yet? I don't know. Don't know if I want to tell you or not. Let's see what it looks like. Can I get in? Oh, look. I can even get in, kind of. Ugh. Maybe I should just go ahead and lower the thing. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay. Yeah, Mike was this day old when he figured out these things. Well, it's supposed to go all the way back, but it doesn't. Okay, anyway. Well, son of a... What's wrong with this thing? Oh. Well, okay, this one's damaged. Well, that's great. Okay, anyway, let's see if I can get in here and just see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going in, we're going in, we're going in. There's not a whole lot of room. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're in, kind of. Here we go. Oh, we're inside. And it looks really nice. Okay, you want to see? Look at this. Look at this. Look at the wood. Holy moly. Those never stay. Never, ever, ever. But look at this. There's no cracks. Look how clean. They even gave me a little radio removal tool. Okay. Do I have keys? I have one key. Okay. There's one key. Because this is taped, I'm guessing the other part's missing. Yay. Okay, yay for me. But look around on the inside. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, we'll take a further tour when we get this car back to Tulsa. But Mikey likes a lot. Holy moly. Okay, and I love this. How this is a different color than that. Yes, sirree, Bob. Yes, sirree, Bob. Oh, and there's my other tool. Look at that. Okay, good. Close, close. What's in here? Not much. Except for... Okay. Yep, okay. Not a big deal. Not worried about that. Mikey likes it. Even the headliner looks okay. It's kind of loose back there. But that happens a lot on these cars. So, let's go back home. All right, you remember me talking about the cold front that was going to come into play? Yep, it's come into play. We have dropped from 72. We're going down to 66. We should be in the mid-50s by the time we get to T-Town. And the rain has started. And that crazy leaf right there is driving me crazy. It's been here since the beginning, and it refuses to let go. It won't give up. Yeah, it's the leaf that never quits. Well, that's the cold front right there, folks. Yeah, we are in the middle of it right now. Temperature's dropping. We're going to 62. Miles per hour dropping because the wind is blowing me all over the road. And, yep, we got lots of rain going on, but the mighty leaf refuses to let go. Okay, I'm going to focus on the road and get us back to Tulsa. And when we're back at Casa de Mule, yeah, we'll pick up the video and we'll hopefully get this car off of the car hauler. We made it back home. Have you figured out what we trailered home yet? Do you know? Can you tell? Yep. We got a grandma's car. We got another. Oh, I gotta squeeze in. Hold on. Microphone issue. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yep, let's see what happens, okay? I just hooked up the battery. Okay, that's good. Hopefully this will just drive right off. We have gas. Please start. Oh, please start. She's not starting. Is this another fuel pump issue? I bet it is. We got no... Let me see if I can hear them. Let's try this. Okay, let's just try this. Yeah, I don't hear any fuel pumps. Well, dadgummit. Okay. Okay, this is going to be fun. Well, we got her off the truck. Yeah, and by we, I mean me. You were no help. You were no help to me. Sorry, but I still love you. Okay, so as far as the car goes, you know what it is. Yeah, it's Grandma's car, an E320. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she lovely? You want to know how much? Right there it is, folks. Yep, that's how much she cost me. And I just saw that. Okay, so we have some front bumper issues. We have some headlight issues. Okay, this is kind of common. Water gathers here and it rusts. So we'll need a headlight. Pop this little thing out right there. The paint's okay. No other body damage that I know of. As far as tires, I got a, oh, okay. Well, we got a little tire wart right there. That's lovely. Okay. We have Ventris, I guess, tires over here. We have Hankook over there. Interior-wise, not bad. Not bad at all. Let me see if I can get my key. I could not get her started. I cannot find the key now. Oh, come on. There it is. It's in my other pocket. Okay, let's see. I'll show you what she sounds like right now. Okay, she tries. She really tries. Here we go. You ready? Well, okay. Now the battery I put in is dead. Just keeps getting better and better for Monkey Wrench Mike. It just gets better and better. I do have some stuff in the trunk. Let me show you. Is it open? Let me see here. Open this up. Oh, come on. There it goes. Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, look, we got stuff in the trunk. Anything good? Oh, a magic wand. I got a magic wand. No, just a wooden dowel. This is kind of spooky. I don't know what's on there. I don't know what's in there. Tool bag. That's a score. That's a score in itself. Let me see here. Let's kind of open it up. And look, we got some tools. How cool is that? Look at that. Okay, so that's a good thing. Got a screen for the windshield. What is this? I don't know. I got a cover, car cover of some sort. I don't know. Maybe that goes across the front windshield. Don't know what that is. I got a spray can of cinnamon spice micrometered air freshener. Let's see if it works. It smells like cinnamon spice. Okay, Grand Savings Bank, member FDIC. And over here, okay, this could be his telltale sign. Okay, 5W30 synthetic. That's been in there for many times. Many years. Oh, okay. Look at that. Some 9mm. Holy moly. That's a score these days. You can't even find this stuff in the stores hardly. Yeah, there is an ammo shortage. Look at that. Score for Mike. Now, is there a gun in here somewhere? Could that be? How much fun would that be? I got a rag and stuff. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, what else? What lies beneath? The spare, which has tread on it. Any air? Ugh, nope, no air. Okay, there's no air in the spare. But all in all, Mikey likey. Okay, let's close it up. Give you one more walk around. Yep, she's pretty. She is a pretty little car, and for only 350 smackers, yes sirree Bob, there's your mileage, 177. No body damage other than a little dent in the hood. Wheels look okay. Everything looks nice. I haven't even looked at the engine yet. Haven't even looked at that. Let's show you what lies beneath here. See if I can do this one-handed. There it is. It's got freckles everywhere and cobwebs. Look at that. Okay. That, a lot of times when you try to polish your headlights, you splatter all this crap everywhere, but these don't look very polished. Okay, any damage? Any damage from an accident? It's got a clean title. I don't see any damage. It has some leaves and stuff right here. Okay, let's check the oil. Hopefully. Okay. Ugh. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm kind of worried. Go in there, go in there, go in there, go in there. And we're going to check this. Okay. It's missing the engine cover. But at least it doesn't look like there's head gasket issues. Just really old oil. Really, really, really old oil. Which is fixable and not a problem at all. Oh, let go. Okay. I think this is a score, gentlemen and ladies and boys and girls. I really do. I'm really, really, really happy. Just got to see what the problem is, why she doesn't run. So what do you think? Score or not? I think it's a score, guys. There's no cracks. There's no issues with the interior at all. I mean, at all, except what probably lies beneath here, okay? Which is probably gross. That would just make for another video, okay? The wood looks good. The dash looks good. This looks really nice. Dirty, dirty, dirty carpets. You do have the floor mats, though. Well, one of them. One of them, at least. So that's okay. All right, so we're going to call this a score. All right, this is a huge win. For $350, are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm loving it. Sorry about that. Got a phone call. Yep, and 2 text messages. I'm a busy person. I do have a dead wasp. Yeah, look at that right there. That's a dead wasp. Like I was saying, for all the subscribers, the new guys, the new gals, thank you very much for doing that. I appreciate that. We've kind of stalled out a little bit, 15.3, something like that. So I need to work on the videos. I need to, I guess, up my energy. Try to make everybody happy. We're trying to get to 20 by the end of the year. Don't know if that's going to happen. All right, we will certainly try. All right, we're going to start the rebuild on this. We're still working on the S55 AMG. We're this close to getting it out on the road, so stay tuned for that. And then once this one is done, once the S55 is done, then we're going old school. Okay, we're going way back to 1969 for the 280 SE. I have all the parts that I need for it, okay? I just got to put it together. And that's going to make for lots and lots of content, and I hope that is what gets us to 20,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, everybody. Monkey time. There you are. All right, bye, little monkey. Say bye. Oh, I just noticed something. I need a windshield. Dag nabbit.